Guys, I have been loving this Paula's Choice Lip Peptide. It's the Pro Collagen Peptide Gloss Bomb. Not only is it pink and so cute, but I've actually been obsessed with it. It's been like my comfort chapstick that I just always have with me. But anyway, I checked in my flight for tomorrow already, and I am packing my things. I'm packing it all up. Look at how cute this hourglass. Like, look at how cute that is. I'm bringing all of these. These shades are unreal. I have one of these in Amsterdam that they sent me a while ago, but the color is not necessarily a color I would typically reach for. So now I'm super excited to have all of these new shades. Prada sent this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then they also sent their mini lips. They had sent me this big one prior, and I actually wear it a lot. I really like it. And so I'm really excited to have the minis and to have some with color as well. Valentino has sent me some stuff that I have yet to try that I'm really excited to try. They also sent me this perfume. It's the Brat one. I think I mentioned it earlier in the video, but I wore it again today because it just smells so fresh. I love it. I'm excited to use all of this stuff. I got this makeup bag on Amazon a few years ago, and it's actually the best thing ever, and it fits so much makeup. It's insane. While I was kind of figuring out what I'm bringing back, I'm going through all of the PR that I was sent, and this is the first time that I'm seeing this PR package that I got from Valentino. It is insane, okay? It starts with this heavy gold Valentino box, and then you open it, and inside are the new lipsticks, and they're like these Spike Valentino lipsticks. But like, I'm so impressed with this box because it's so... Oops, I just dropped you guys. I'm so sorry about that. And then look at the lipstick. The Valentino. So that one was Spike Oppose, that shade. Then we have Couture in the Streets, which is kind of a similar color, but Spike Oppose is a little bit more berry, and Couture in the Streets is just a little bit more orange. And then we have It's Valentino Baby, which is the deepest berry shade. Like, I'm just so impressed with the packaging. They're stunning. And then this last shade is a bit of me, okay? It is just this beautiful hot pink shade. It's called Pink is Punk. Is this not so fitting? This is not so fitting for me. Oh my gosh. These are perfection. Like, how, literally how satisfying. Valentino absolutely killed it, and I'm so impressed with this box, and I am keeping it forever because what is my life? It's beyond me, and I'm so grateful. Thank you, Valentino. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. And I cannot wait to try these. Hello. We are back in Amsterdam, okay? I literally had a 10-hour flight, landed, came home, took an hour-long nap, and then went to work. And somehow I'm like kind of okay with the jet lag. I mean, last night I stayed up until 2 a.m., but it was honestly because I was watching such a great movie. And then I woke up at like 11 today. So I'm like slightly shifted, because I would say normally I'm like, I get up at like 7 or 8. So I'm shifted a few hours. I'm doing a little bit of an apartment reset right now. I have laundry in. I'm just kind of cleaning up a bit. But what needs even more of a reset is my nails, okay? I have some inspo ideas that I'm gonna try to do, but the last time I tried to do this inspo, it didn't work. So I'm gonna try again today on one nail, and if it doesn't work on the nail, then I need to do a little bit of digging for some new inspo ideas. But I think it's gonna work out well. I think we'll get it sorted. But anyway, yeah, we're back on track. We're back in Amsterdam. Welcome to another weekly vlog. Feeling so rejuvenated after being home. We're at a wine tasting event. Here's Courtney. Cheers. You can go around the world and try all different kinds of wine. You can fly across the world and try all different. Guys, you've been hijacked. Drinks for the boys. Don't be mad at me, okay? I know. This is the longest I have ever gone without uploading in all of the like 7 years I've done social media. Let me just start explaining really quick. While I do my skincare, because I just washed my face, my skin literally feels so dry. I took a break from posting for like a week, and it wasn't even intentional. Just felt so disconnected with the content I was making. Like I just felt not connected to it like at all. Like I was like, maybe this is a time where I need to just like see where I'm at, or like what type of content I want to be making. I know I will be making content because I literally cannot picture my life without it. I've always made content. Now feels so good. I feel a little bit more settled in this apartment, and the best thing that's definitely going to help me feel settled the most is that our furniture comes today. How exciting. So I think that's definitely gonna help me feel a lot more settled here, because we've just like, I think now with all this furniture coming in, it'll start to feel so much more homey, so much more cozy. I'm a homebody girl. I love enjoying my rent. So that's coming today. At the end of the night, I might be having like a little girls thirsty Thursday. TBD. I don't know if that's fully happening yet. We're still in the chats about it. I also did my nails the other day. I think I spoke with you guys about it, but I don't think I ever ended up showing you. I don't even know if this is showing it properly on the camera, but yeah, I did the silver cat eye and they're gorge. I love them. It was my first time. It took me forever to figure out how to use the magnet. The furniture has arrived. I'm a little nervous because some of the fragile pieces, they were tossing around and I was like, oh, I think those are fragile. They're very heavy, but I'm gonna start unboxing now and trying to set up the space. They're gorgeous. Oh my God. Please don't be broken anywhere. Please don't be broken anywhere. No. No, this second one better not be broken. They're both broken. The rug and the coffee table came in. This is what it looks like. I actually love it. So we have two good pieces that came just now. It's almost 7 p.m. I've been doing the bed frame for like hours now, and I just need to go get some food. So I'm gonna go get some food, make some dinner, and come back. Maybe do a face mask, watch a movie on the projector. Okay. Ooh, you guys. I'm trying to find a good movie to watch. I'm all caught up on White Lotus. You guys, having this projector is honestly, it's been such a game changer. It's so fun, and it just makes the room feel like so cozy. Okay, I'm gonna watch Keeping Up. Time to get ready for bed. We just did a little birthday dinner and it's almost midnight right now. So I'm gonna take off my makeup and get ready for bed because I'll have a big day tomorrow. Let's get on ready. We're adding this to the routine. These jeans are so cute. They're from Silver & Co. Silver & Co. jeans. They're so cute. Gosh, it's pink. Wow, that feels really nice. Looks amazing on the skin. I just ran out of my like barrier cream moisturizer and I'm trying to fix my skin barrier right now. That's why I'm only like using one product. But I just tried the Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer for the first time. And I have really dry skin and it's like actually thick and feels very hydrating. Like my skin looks so healthy. Guys, I love this little combo of the Paula's Choice. I just used the moisturizer on my face and now I'm using the Pro Collagen Peptide Gloss Balm. I'm loving it. Coco and Eve sent me a package with the Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. Oh, cute. I've never tried this one before. I've tried their other hair masks and their shampoo and conditioner, and I use their Like a Virgin hair oil and I love that. I use it every day and I actually notice such a huge difference in my hair when I use it and when I don't. I believe this is new. Frizz Fix and Pro Shine Mist, and it also works as like a heat protectant too. Their microfiber hair towel. I actually use these after the shower anyway, so I love that I have a Coco and Eve one. Thanks, Coco and Eve. Happy Sunday! And do you want to know something really amazing? I'm so excited. The Smeg cast iron casserole, aka the Smeg Dutch oven. She's literally perfect. Look at how perfect. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Look at how good she looks. Oh my gosh, she's perfect.